So now to get green, there is it. RGB. Red I don't want, green I want, blue I don't want. That's 0. So copy this. It will give us paste, save, refresh. You can see green. Now to get blue, RGB. Red I don't want, green I don't want, blue I want. Alright, paste it here and see what we get. Refresh. That's blue. Alright, what if you want to combine any form of color, any form, to get any color? Write like this: RGB, open bracket. Anyhow, just put any digit, but mind you, it must not pass 255. Let me put 125, 56, maybe 2, 1, 210. Any number. This will give me any color. Save it. You can see. If you like, change the digits. You see, different color. Change this one. You see, it should be giving me different color. So even inside this my div now, I can now have maybe H1. We all know H1. Welcome board. You can see. So if we change it to H2, I believe you understand that. Yeah, this font should be small. H2, you see? Okay. What if you want something to be moving here? What will you do? You want this welcome board to be moving. So you just put mark you. There's something called mark you. Paste this thing there. Just write anything here. Anything. So save. Refresh. You can see mark you. Alright. If this marking is too fast, just what you do is screw amount equals to 1. Refresh. Is very slow. Yeah. If you want it to go very fast, put 40. Very fast. I just put 40. Any digit you like. It depends on how faster you want this thing to go. Okay, that's mark you. What if this thing is going? Let me reduce it. Sorry. To like 10. This thing is going to the left side. You want it to go to the right side. That direction equals to what's right. It's going right. What about top? Sorry, up. It's going up. Down. It should go down. Okay. Oh, let me add this behavior alternates. Let's see how this one work. You see that behavior alternate? That means it should not enter any corner. It should bounce in the back. That's its behavior alternate. Okay. So the last color. You understand this? The last color. Example of the third way. This third way is called hexadecimal. This hexadecimal means X means 6, decimal means 10, hexadecimal 16. So we are dealing with what? 16 bits. And this thing we all know that digits start from where? 0 to where? To 9. So if we count this, how many digits are there? 10 digits. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's our 16 digits. So all the numbers we'll be using should not exceed this. That's where we get our color. Unlike before, that you'll be using 0 to 255. But now we want to be using 0 to 9, A to F to generate color. Okay, now to get red, how will you get red? How will you get red? Go back to RGB. In RGB, there is a rule, which is the first thing is red, the second thing is green, the third thing is blue. That's how you will do this. The first is red. What is the red? If you want to get red, that means red should be highest, which is 255 in RGB. But here, what is the highest? Highest is FF. Why did I use FF? Because RGB 1, 2, 3 is 3. Is 3. So in this place, two things must represent 1. Now to get green in the middle, I don't want green, that's 0, 0. To get blue, I don't want blue, 0, 0. So this color, what will you do? You now add it together. That is RGB. R highest, FF. You know F is the highest. G green, none. Blue, none. You can see I use two. Don't forget RGB. R must have two things. G must have two. Blue must have two. Now this will give me red color. So we need to add them together now. So this will give me color. But before you use them, you must add hash in front. So this is red. Let's check it out. Put it here. And run this code. Wow, you see it's red. Okay, what if you want green? You don't want red, you don't want blue. That will be what? 0, 0. FF will be in the middle. So let's copy this code and use it here. Green. Okay, what if you just want to mix any form of any color together, any color? You can just mix it together. Even you can write it like this. You can just write it like this. But make sure that your combination, the sum of your combination is 6. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. The first one, 8. Can we find it here? Yes. This one, can you find it here? Yes. This one, can you find it here? Yes. All of them, we can find them there. So I think my code is correct. But I don't know the code that the color it will give me. Can just combine any digit together to give you color. Wow, you see the color now. So another one, if we have this, that means F highest for blue, highest for green, highest for red. What will this one give me? Is that not white? Because if we had red, green, blue together, it should give you white. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, is white. That the background is white. So that's how to work with RGM hexadecimal. You get? Okay. Now let me to get blue. This is to get red. To get blue now is red. RGB I be red. I don't want. Green I don't want. Blue I want. So this is to get blue. Now to get green, that would be red. That's RGB. Red I don't want.